Nike outlets, we're back to 40% off. That's definitely the cheapest we have seen these. Holy cow. $30 That's one of the biggest deals. But look at this. $40. $40 for the Luka 2s. Oh, that's cheaper than Nike outlet right next door. Holy crap. All right, we are at the Foot Locker outlet, but we gotta stop by Nike Community Store East LA, where we do have a 63% chance of being kicked out or being told we can't take video. And of course, when I come here and watch, I've been looking for refurbs. They haven't been getting that many lately. Size 8 refurbs go for 93. I did forget to mention 40% off the back wall. Cosmic U33s, 85 for the gently imperfect, or the slightly imperfect, and then like new, go for 96. Air Zoom Victory. These are their premier sprinting spikes. Go for 190. These are 8.5. Then yo, look at this. Look at this. Sabrina's $90, 40% off. That's definitely the cheapest we have seen these. Holy cow. Pretty much $50, really? Seeing these 140. I swear these were lower before, but they're well under $100. Jordan 1 High OGs in a size 10. These are golf right here. 125 for those. I saw these as a refurb right here. Phantom React Flyknits. Size 10, 70 for these. So that's what, $45 something. Zion 3s right here in a bigger size, size 15, 75 for the TikTok colorway right here. Remember, 30 off, that's not bad. Size 11 Roshis for $32. That's not under $20, holy cow. And do we got shoes for under 20 bucks? Under $20. Checking out the women's, they got these as a women's right here. Size 11, a bunch of size 11s, $80 for these. Jordan 1 High OGs right here, 110. These are size 8.5 women's. 110 for these. These are 7.5 though. But 110, 40 off. Was that 70 bucks or something? Size 9 Air Max 90s. Go for 60 bucks. Those are gently worn. Bunch of these Air Max 1s right here down to 90. 40% off the apparel. They also have some refurbished apparel as well. Look at this Hurts jersey, Jalen Hurts jersey. It is 175, but the fact that you get 40 off, that's dope. And this is the refurbished stuff I'm talking about. This is a large, tall, some sweats right here, $63. You get that extra 40 off, normally 105. Got some khaki pants right here, 48. Then do got tech fleece down to 90. Then they do have a whole tech fleece rack right here, $100, 40% off. Got multiple colors and stuff. Denim jacket, 135. Okay. The really nice thick hoodies right here, 53 with that 40 off, and then the tech fleece pea coat looking thing, 300 for that one. Nike Elite backpacks for 60, and then you get an extra 30 off. That's the cheapest we've seen those in a long time. All right, shout out to all of you guys that came up and said what's up, Jesse and all you guys. All right, let's go see what's up with the Foot Locker outlet right here. Then I love this spot, 50% off. Just talking to some of you guys, and it's hard to go back to a regular Foot Locker after this, man. Let's see what they got. So let's talk about this store. Many of you guys are new to the channel. 50% off pretty much everything. The only exception are Jordans and Dunks. So everything 50% off the back wall, or the sneakers on the side wall, that is. And then they got sneakers in the middle right here where you get that 50 off as well. They also have apparel, got hats, they got Crocs. Then they have this crazy section right here where you get 50% off and you take an extra 50 off. So pretty much 75% off all the apparel on this wall. Man, I'm excited to be here. And I know this digi camo print of the Mellow ones right here. They've been everywhere, right? They've been everywhere, but not for $30. $30 freaking dollars. That's One of the biggest deals. Man, that is hella cheap. I'm gonna have to call a couple people because a couple of the homies that I play basketball with, yeah, they've been playing with running shoes, yo. Got why nots right here. Why not 0.6s? Dude got 550s. I know someone who just bought some 550s. Freaking $30 here? What the F? What the F? Superstars going for 30 bucks. We definitely have not seen Superstars $30 anywhere. And then dude got Zoom Freaks. These bad boys, what are these going for? For 35. I just realized, god dang it. Man, I haven't done a survey coupon. Oh wait, we can't use survey coupons here. All right, we're good, we're good. We got some 4Ms here. These are $30. And these as well. Then these dad shoes, these Adidas dad shoes go for 30. Okay. I just messaged a bunch of the homies that I play hoops with. Look at this. $40. $40 for the Luka 2s. And then got Zion's here for $40 as well. That's cheaper than Nike outlet right next door. Holy crap. I swear it's like cheaper than the refurbs that are next door, right? Holy cow. Got some Converse hoop sneakers that nobody's really asked for. I don't know why I'm showing those. And then got these Mellow 2s right here. These are nice. Then they still got these slides right here. $10. $10? Are you serious? Perfect for the summer. 15 for these extra bright ones right there. It's so tough to shop at a regular Foot Locker, regular retail store after seeing these prices. Look at this, $20. $20 for Puma suede. Are you effing serious? Chucks going for $20 right here. Some Lows down to 20. Far From Chucks. Is that the name of these? I don't know. 15 bucks for the whites right here. Man, I should have brought my homie George over here. What the hell? Some Chuckies right here going for $20. $20. This one's clean. You can wear this with anything. Not a Chuck 70, but definitely wear it with anything. And then got another Low right here for $20, man. Trey Young's right here. I just got these at the Champs outlet a little while ago for 20. I got them for 35 right here. Still a pretty solid deal. And the Tentacumpos right here. Got the extra long hair suede, the Grinch ones right here. Forms are okay. These forms are alright. Then got some Cosmic Unities. The crazy, what are these people calling these? The Crazy 8s, I think. Crazy 8s. I just remember them as the Kobe's. That's but yeah, do got some Question pumps right here. And then the Kobe one, aka Crazy Ones. Let's see what's going on with some of the hats because it's 50% off. What the hell is this, man? There's a lot going on this one right here. Pro Standard Dodgers hat. Smart 20, so it's going for 10 bucks. Got Clippers. Oh, this one is nice. The material so different, kind of suede-y. I don't think it's suede, but kind of like a synthetic suede. Material is just so nice. But it's a Clippers, so nobody wants it. $10. I'm talking trash too. Got a Lakers with the Magic. Still looks like the Magic font. $10 for that one. These black Clipper ones, these are tough. These look dope. Trucker hat right here, 20. So down to 10. They got A's, Dodgers, more A's, and then even a San Francisco one right here. These are all fitted hats, new era fitted. 44, so they're going for what, $22. Let's see what's going on out here. So it looks like a lot of these are the sneakers on the side, but you get to see what sizes they have. But yeah, Chucks for $20. I didn't show you guys these right here. Bunch of foam, just a bunch of exposed foam. $20 for those. Different than most other sneakers. Then do got these right here. Did see these on the back wall. Gill Zeros going for $40. Size 9, 9.5, 10. Got the Diamond Supply Company collab with Puma right here, the RSX. These, I really like these. This does crease quite a bit, but I don't know. I have these at home. These are dope. Oh, and I don't think I showed you guys the Shaq Attack on the wall. These are going for $40. So freaking dope. This would be perfect for what I'm wearing. I think it would match what I'm wearing. But yeah, $40 for both of those. Got a few sizes left. And they got some nice Puma stuff right here. This is the regular 50% off wall right here. So they got Puma's dry sale jacket right here, 75. So these are what, 38 or 37.50. They got multiple colors. And they got some of the mellow apparel right here, so 40 down to 20. Jordan t-shirts right here, 50% off. Their t-shirts are normal 35, 40, 38, yeah, right in between. And they got sweats and all that type of stuff. So yeah, so 81 down to, or 82 down to 41. You need t-shirts, you need hoodies, jackets, definitely a really good place to stop. And this, I kind of like this one. It has an embroidered Jumpman logo on it, $32. Material's pretty thin though. Still not bad. Then plenty of hoodies if y'all need hoodies. These are lightweight hoodies right here, $72. Flight hoodies, still pretty lightweight, $92. All right, let's go see what's up with the Crocs real quick. They got the ridiculously heavy Crocs right here. Give you all kinds of height though. 25 bucks. Lisa Frank. Have no clue who that is, but something for the girls mostly. 50 bucks for those. So what, 25? They got those if you need those. They got the utility ones. Then they got these. I think that's the one that I bought for my kiddo a couple weeks ago. But yeah, those are down to 20. And then this is the wall where you get an extra 50 off, so 75% off. I really like this hoodie right here. It's super thin though, that's the only thing. But yeah, these are hella dope. They got small, they got medium, they got XL. $85, so that's what, $21? 21 bucks for a Jordan hoodie right here. They also got matching pants for it, 75 off. They got the faux Christmas sweater right here, $78. And they only got smalls. Oh, they got a double XL, super thin. They got a flight one right here, go for 92. And they also got sweats and hoodies and stuff like that. Dang, sizing is definitely tough because that flight one, they just had a small and double XL. But look at this. Yeah, this is pretty thin too. But yeah, $82. They got a medium right there. They got a large jacket. They got flight t-shirts right here. John Morant t-shirts. Look at this, multiple sizes. $40, so 10 bucks for John Morant shirts. Nike hoodies right here, $70. They got Jordan sweats right here, $40. So $10 for Jordan sweats. Clean Nike logo t-shirt right there with the embroidery on it. This is a double loose fit single XL. They got Adidas section right here as well, $85. You get that 50 and 50. Got Foot Locker brand right here as well, or I think it's just called Locker. But yeah, long sleeve tees right here, 25 down to, I don't know, $7. It's like $650. But yeah, I do got the Pro Standard still. They still have the Pro Standard Kings merch right here. They also have, I think these are what, 110, so that's what, under $30. And then they got the Steelers jackets right here. No Steelers fans in LA apparently. But yeah, 130. There's a small, there's a medium, 130. So that's what, $35? 35 bucks? Then they got some Pro Standard Dodgers pants right here. These are 100 bucks. East Bay. I haven't heard that name in a while, but an East Bay shirt right here. They got Locker brand stuff going for hella cheap. The colors were a little better maybe. Like the material is just really nice on this. Got some decent stuff, definitely worth going through all this stuff right here. Oh, and Antetokounmpo t-shirt right here. And then this is just a regular 50% off, but they do have the Chester Cheeto one. The Hot Cheetos hoodies. These are $80, so they're down to $40. And they also have the matching shorts right here with the Cheetos logo right there, which is pretty dope. Then they got Warriors stuff right here. Warriors Pro Standard, 50% off, $100, so 50 bucks. They have sizes, medium, XL. They got sizes for the pants as well if you want to get the matching look. And they got Lakers Pro Standard t-shirts, $39, so these are what, under 20? And then they got Pittsburgh Steelers jackets right here, $185. This is team apparel. San Jose Sharks Pro Standard hoodies right here. These are down to what, these are $110. They're $50 $5 after the savings. Then they have a women's section in the back right here, where they are giving away Cardi B's for $25. These retail for what, $120? 25 bucks. More than 75% off. Got some faux leather chucks right here, go for 25. Some canvas ones up top. What are these? What are these? These are chucks? Oh my goodness, what are y'all doing? Trying to do something different, not really hitting. $15 though. $15 is hitting, and 15 bucks for these as well. Holy cow, that's just cheap. Remember, sizing can definitely be an issue pretty much at every outlet. But yeah, if you can find your size, definitely worth it. Sabrina's right here, dang, $60 for the Sabrinas. I know Sabrina 2s are out, but $60, definitely insane. And then these go down to $50. I bet you they only have smaller size for these, but 50 bucks, holy cow. Zoomfly 5s? Holy cow. Might be the cheapest way to get into Zoom X. Zoom X, this does not feel, I don't know. But yeah, it does have a nice, has a nice plate on it too, holy cow. Holy cow. Yeah, definitely the cheapest way to get into Zoom X, and have, this one I think has a fiberglass plate, but yeah, this is the only size they have. Only size they have, I think it's a 7, size 7 women's, because $50, that's just way too cheap. I was gonna see if my racing buddy needed those, but nah. Well, he would need those, but not that size, But yeah, $70 for Vapor Max right there. Vapor Max Plus, Air Max Plus right here, down to $70. The Vapor Max is getting even cheaper, the 2021 Flynets, I think. But yeah, $60 for those. Do have a couple retros in the women's. Don't get that extra discount though. The golden bullets right here, going for $50. Air More Up Tempos right here. Pretty decent selection in the women's. Nothing crazy though. Nothing too crazy. If you like Vapor Max, that type of stuff, 70 bucks. Doesn't really get any cheaper than that anywhere though. Oh yeah, them Converse too, hella cheap. They do have a kids Foot Locker. This area is not an outlet quite yet. They still do have sales. You just don't get that extra 50% off. You do get buy one, get one 50 off. And they do have some steals, still got steals, got some chucks right here if that's what your kiddos are into, especially at buy one, get one 50 off. Okay, I was gonna say even the classics, nah, the ones with the flowers on it. But yeah, do got buy one, get 150 off on all these. And even a ton of sales tags on the back wall. Then yeah, like you got sales, but you know, not crazy. This one comes with Velcro right here, MX90s going for 90 for these right here. Air More Up Tempos going for $60. Air Max 270s are the casuals. Really liking these because I know these were hella popular a while back. 3 different colorways on sale for the grade school. Then Air Max Plus foams right here. The foam posits 150. Okay. Guess I can show what I'm wearing. Jordan 1 University Blue. Of course, they've had like 18 different itinerations of the University Blues. This is, I want to say what the 2020 release was, 2020, 2021. But yeah, these are pretty dope. I'm a huge fan of these. And then do have a Shaq jersey that I got for hella cheap. I'm trying to remember how much I paid for them. Like 40 bucks something. And some cargo pants that I did get at a Nike clearance store. So pretty budget outfit. Shoes I paid retail though. Shoes I did pay retail. All right, I do have to say, I think this is one of my favorite stores to visit at this time. 50% off. Pretty much everything in store. And they do have a lot of nice stuff. Definitely worth stuff picking up. East LA, man. Check the description. Get the address. And we out, man. We out. I'm already headed to the next spot, so here's a little sneak preview of the next video. Because we hitting up the Champs outlet. Could have used this yesterday. Dang it. Hold up. Before we even get to that, look at this. $50. $50 for these. And they still have the Trae Youngs for $20. Can't give these away. Is that a Cosmic Unity for the cheapest price we've ever seen? Holy cow, look at that. It's been reduced.